How to get rid of sugar ants. Seeing ants crawling around in your home can be an unpleasant sight, not to mention they can cause potential damage. But worrying no more. In this video we will guide you through proven methods on how to quickly get rid of sugar ants. Find out the best ways to protect your home, with results that won't keep you waiting. Introducing sugar ants. If you've ever seen a line of sugar ants marching across your countertop or into your pantry, you know how frustrating and difficult they can be to get rid of. Here are 4 proven methods that will help you quickly get rid of sugar ants in your home. Method 1. Bait them with sweet food. Sugar ants are attracted to sweet food, so baiting them with something sweet like honey or syrup can be an effective way to get rid of them. Simply put a small amount of honey or syrup on a piece of paper or in a shallow dish and place it near where you've seen the sugar ants. The ants will be attracted to the sweetness and will take the bait back to their nest, hopefully killing off the entire colony. Method 2. Use vinegar as a repellent. Vinegar is an excellent repellent for sugar ants since they hate the smell of it. Simply mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle and spritz any areas where you see sugar ants. The vinegar smell will keep them away and eventually they'll give up trying to get into your home altogether. Method 3. Make a DIY ant trap. If baiting them with sweet food doesn't work, try making your own ant trap using boric acid and sugar. Mix together 1/2 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon boric acid, and 1/2 cup water in a bowl until the sugar is dissolved. Then pour the mixture into shallow dishes and identifying common signs of an infestation. If you're dealing with sugar ants, you'll want to know how to identify them so you can get rid of them quickly. Here are some common signs of a sugar ant infestation. You see small black ants crawling around your kitchen or bathroom counters. You find ants in your pantry or cupboards. You notice sweet syrup or honeydew on surfaces where ants have been. Understanding the life cycle of sugar ants. Sugar ants are one of the most common types of ants found in homes. Though they're tiny, they can be a real nuisance. If you're dealing with a sugar ant infestation, it's important to understand their life cycle so you can more effectively get rid of them. Here's what you need to know about the life cycle of sugar ants. Sugar ants have a 3-stage life cycle: egg, larva, and adult. The eggs are laid by the queen and hatch into larvae. The larvae then mature into adults and begin reproducing themselves. Sugar ants typically live for about 2 years. The vast majority of sugar ants in your home will be workers. These are sterile females that build nests, gather food, and care for the young. When sugar ant populations get too large, they will split into 2 colonies and establish new nests. If you're seeing lots of sugar ants around your home during this time, it's likely because they've recently budded. Proven methods for getting rid of sugar ants fast. There are few things more frustrating than dealing with sugar ants in your home. These tiny pests are not only a nuisance, but they can also be difficult to get rid of. While there are many methods that claim to be effective in getting rid of sugar ants fast, not all of them work as well as advertised. Bait them with sweet food. Sugar ants are attracted to sweet food, so baiting them with something sweet is an effective way to get rid of them. Place a small amount of honey or syrup on a plate and set it near where you've seen the sugar ants. The ants will be attracted to the sweetness and they will crawl onto the plate and get stuck. You can then dispose of them however you like. Use borax powder. Borax powder is a natural ant killer and it's very effective against sugar ants. Simply mix equal parts of borax powder and sugar together and place it in an area where the sugar ants have been seen. The ants will be attracted to the sweet borax powder and they will ingest it, which will kill them. Set up a vinegar trap. Vinegar is another substance that sugar ants are attracted to, and setting up a trap is a great way to get rid of them fast. Physical removal or home treatments. There are a few things you can do to quickly get rid of sugar ants without having to call an exterminator. First, try to identify where they are coming into your home and seal up any cracks or openings. Next, set out ant baits or traps near where you see them congregating. Finally, you can also use a household cleaner with vinegar or lemon juice to clean areas where you see sugar ants. Using chemical products to eradicate the source. There are a few different methods that can be used to get rid of sugar ants quickly, but the most effective is using chemical products. There are a variety of different products on the market that can be used to kill sugar ants, so you will need to find one that is specifically designed for killing these types of insects. The first thing you need to do is locate the nest of the sugar ants. Once you have found the nest, you will need to apply the chemical product directly to it. It is important to make sure that all of the insects in the nest are killed, so you may need to apply multiple applications of the product. Once the nest has been eradicated, you will need to prevent the sugar ants from returning. One way to do this is by sealing up any cracks or crevices in your home where they could potentially enter. You should also keep your home clean and free of food debris that would attract them. Organic pest control solutions. Organic pest control solutions are effective, safe, and environmentally friendly. There are many different methods of organic pest control, and the best method for you will depend on the type of ants you have, the severity of your infestation, and your personal preferences. Here are a few of the most popular organic pest control methods. Boric acid is a naturally occurring compound that is effective against a wide variety of pests, including sugar ants. Boric acid can be used as a powder, dust, or liquid solution. It works by causing dehydration in insects, which leads to death. When using boric acid to kill sugar ants, be sure to keep it out of reach of children and pets. Diatomaceous earth is another natural compound that can be used for organic pest control. It is made from the fossilized remains of algae, and it works by puncturing the exoskeletons of insects, causing them to dehydrate and die. Diatomaceous earth is safe to use around children and pets when used as directed. Mint oil is a natural repellent that can keep sugar ants away from your home. Mint oil can be applied to surfaces in your home where you see sugar ants congregating. The strong scent of mint will deter them from coming back. You can also add mint oil to sugar water traps to help lure them in and keep them away from your home. Insecticides and baits. Sugar ants are a type of ant that is attracted to sweets. They are small, about the size of a pinhead, and can be red, black, or brown in color. Sugar ants are not harmful to humans, but they can be a nuisance if they invade your home in large numbers. There are a few different ways to get rid of sugar ants quickly. One way is to use an insecticide. Insecticides come in liquids, sprays, and baits. Some insecticides will kill sugar ants on contact while others will only kill them if they ingest it. When using an insecticide, be sure to follow the directions on the label carefully. Another way to get rid of sugar ants quickly is to use baits. Baits are usually sweetened with honey or sugar and contain an insecticide. The sugar ants are attracted to the bait and eat it. The insecticide then kills them. Be sure to place baits where children and pets cannot reach them, as some baits can be harmful if ingested by humans or animals. If you have a sugar ant problem, try one of these methods to get rid of them quickly. Seek professional help. There are many do-it-yourself methods for getting rid of sugar ants, but if you have a serious infestation, it's best to call in a professional. A professional can help you identify the source of the problem and eliminate the ants quickly and effectively.